Recent summer showers in Bengaluru have provided temporary relief, but the frequent power outages that followed have significantly disrupted the lives of residents. Although the Bengaluru electricity supply company BESCOM has asserted that there are no scheduled power cuts, many complaints about outages have reportedly gone unheard. Areas such as Vasanth Nagar, Jayanagar, HBR Layout, Bannerghatta, Koramangala and BTM Layout have been particularly affected. It was reported that power cuts often occur at night, exacerbating the discomfort caused by the heat. Reports from Banashankari indicate that power outages can last for hours or even throughout the night. In Whitefield, work disruptions and delayed meetings have been attributed to these power cuts. Residents have reported that BESCOM frequently denies responsibility, suggesting instead that the issue lies within the household's fuse or circuit. Nonetheless, power is typically restored after 7 to 8 hours. Calls for a permanent solution have been made from various places like Lingarajpuram. In response, BESCOM's Public Relations Officer Arvind Shetty acknowledged the unscheduled outages, attributing them to adverse weather conditions. According to Shetty, the intense heat during peak summer caused circuit problems and voltage fluctuations, while recent rains have further impacted power supply. Outages lasting for hours have been linked to burst transformers and lines cut off by water and wind, which require significant time for repairs. Bengaluru's average daily power consumption ranges between 160 megawatts and 200 megawatts, but this demand surges to 500 megawatts or even 700 megawatts during the summer. Peak power consumption in April 2024 reached 3,820 megawatts, a notable increase from 3,570 megawatts in April of the previous year. The frequent power cuts have also been attributed to aging infrastructure and underground cables, which are further stressed by frequent rains and falling tree branches. Residents experiencing power outages are encouraged to contact BESCOM for assistance. The helpline numbers provided are BESCOM General Helpline 1912, Bengaluru South WhatsApp Helpline 8277884011, Bengaluru West WhatsApp Helpline 8277884012, Bengaluru East WhatsApp number 8277884013, Bengaluru North WhatsApp number 8277884014. It was emphasized by BESCOM officials that the 1912 helpline should be used to report power outages for immediate attention.